Assemble the base tray panel. Please note that the base tray panel and the product tray are very similar. However, the base tray panel does not have slots in the middle, whereas the product tray does. Turn the print side down and fold the side panels up. At one end, fold the side end panels in. Fold the adjacent end panel up and over, locking it into place. Follow the same steps for the other end. Fold the side plats over, locking them into place. Assemble the base. Lay out the base panel. Fold the slotted end up and fold the slotted flap over. Fold the adjacent panel over. Insert the tabs into the corresponding slots. Fold the bottom flaps up. Place the base in the base tray and push down firmly. Assemble the base corner panels. Lay out one of the corner panels, turn print side down, and insert tree clips into the holes of one edge. Remove the backer from the tape on that edge. Fold over and press firmly. Insert the tree clips into the holes of the second edge and remove the backer from the tape. Fold over and press firmly. Follow these steps for all corner panels. Attach corner panels to base assembly. Insert one set of tree clips into the holes on one side of a corner on the base. Fold the panel around the corner and insert the second set of tree clips into the corresponding holes. Do this for all four corners. Assemble the product tray. Lay out the product tray and turn print side down. At one end, fold the side panels up and the side end panels in. Fold the adjacent end panel up and over, locking it in place. Follow the same steps for the other end. Fold the side panels over, locking them into place. Attach product tray to base assembly. Fold the top side flap of the base over. Put the product tray into place. Insert the base top tabs into the two outer side slots. Fold the tab over and insert the end tab into the adjacent slots. Follow the same steps for the second base top tab. Assemble the shadow box panel. Lay out the shadow box. Fold the end panels up on one side and fold the end side flap in. Fold the side panels up and over, locking them into place. Fold the second set of end side flaps in. Fold the side panel over, locking it into place. Fold the top panel up and over, locking it into place. Fold the end panel side flaps in. Fold the end panel flap up and over into the assembly. From the back, push locking tab in, Continue folding the end panel into the assembly and over the locking tab. Attach shadow box to base assembly. In the base assembly, there is a hole in the back panel. Insert the bottom tab into the slot towards the back. Slide the shadow box assembly down into place. Insert tree clips into the holes in the back of the shadow box. Insert product tray and shadow box graphics. Grab your product tray insert and put the insert into place. Next, grab your shadow box insert and put the insert into place. Assemble the pole panel. Turn print side down, fold the slotted end up, and fold the slotted flap over. Fold the adjacent side over and insert the tabs into the corresponding slots. Attach pole panel to base assembly. Put the pole into place. The bottom notch goes around the product tray. Align the upper holes with the tree clips and press into place. Align the bottom hole and secure with tree clips. Attach pole sign to pole assembly. Grab your pole sign and align the corresponding holes at the top of the pole and secure with tree clips. Your completed display.